Seniors, top 8 types of fruit to lower your blood sugar naturally. Have you ever wondered if there's a natural way to manage your blood sugar? The answer might be right on your kitchen table. Fruits. For seniors with diabetes, finding healthy snacks that don't spike blood sugar can be challenging. But fruits are a great option. The American Diabetes Association, ADA, says many fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, according to Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. Fiber, found in fruits, veggies, and whole grains, helps you feel full longer and can prevent overeating. Maintaining a healthy weight, supported by fiber, is essential for managing diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity, as noted by the Mayo Clinic and CDC. So, if you're looking for natural ways to manage your diabetes, let's explore the top 8 fruits that can help lower blood sugar and support your overall health. 1. Berries. If you're a senior living with diabetes, finding tasty and healthy snacks can sometimes feel like a challenge. But one fruit group that stands out for its benefits is berries. Whether you love the sweet flavor of strawberries, the tang of raspberries, or the subtle taste of blueberries, you'll be glad to know that these fruits are a real powerhouse when it comes to managing blood sugar. In fact, the American Diabetes Association, ADA, has labeled them a diabetes superfood. The reason? They're loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all of which can help keep your blood sugar in check. For example, just 1 cup of fresh blueberries has about 84 calories and 21 grams of carbohydrates, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA. That's pretty good for a delicious snack. The fiber in berries help slow down the absorption of sugar, which can prevent spikes in your blood sugar levels. This is especially important for seniors living with diabetes, as managing blood sugar levels is key to staying healthy and feeling good. If you have trouble stopping yourself from popping them into your mouth straight from the container, why not try turning them into a tasty treat? You can layer fresh berries with plain non-fat yogurt to create a simple, diabetes-friendly parfait. It makes for a great breakfast, dessert, or snack that's both nutritious and satisfying. And with the natural sweetness of the berries, you don't need to worry about added sugars. So next time you're looking for a snack, remember that berries are a smart, delicious choice that can help keep your blood sugar stable while providing plenty of vitamins and fiber that your body needs. 2. Cherries. If you're a senior living with diabetes, it's essential to find foods that are both tasty and help keep your blood sugar in check. One fruit that should be on your radar is cherries. Tart cherries, in particular, are not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, 1 cup of tart cherries with pits contains about 52 calories and 12.6 grams of carbs. This makes them a great snack choice that won't spike your blood sugar levels. But cherries offer more than just low calories. They're rich in antioxidants, which can help fight inflammation in the body. A review published in the March 2018 issue of Nutrients showed that cherries could help reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. This is especially important for seniors managing diabetes, as protecting your heart and overall health is key. You can enjoy tart cherries in many forms: fresh, frozen, canned, or dried. However, if you opt for canned cherries, be sure to check the label. Many canned fruits contain added sugar, which could cause your blood sugar to spike. The Cleveland Clinic recommends avoiding these types of canned fruits. Dried cherries, if they don't have added sugar, can be a healthy choice. But keep in mind that dried fruit is denser in calories and carbs than fresh fruit. Because of this, it's best to enjoy dried cherries in small portions, about 2 tablespoons at a time. Although they are delicious, dried cherries are less filling than whole fruit. So, moderation is key to managing your blood sugar effectively. 3. Peaches. Peaches are a delicious and refreshing fruit that can be a great addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. Especially in warm weather, fresh, fragrant peaches can bring some sweetness without causing spikes in your blood sugar. 1 medium peach contains only 59 calories and 14 grams of carbohydrates, making it a great snack for seniors with diabetes. According to the USDA, a medium peach also provides 10 milligrams of vitamin C, which is an important nutrient for your body's overall health. Vitamin C helps your body form blood vessels and cartilage, and it also plays a big role in healing wounds, according to the Mayo Clinic. In addition to vitamin C, peaches are also a good source of potassium, with about 285 milligrams per peach. Potassium is important for maintaining healthy fluid balance in your cells and helps regulate your blood pressure, according to Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. If you love peaches, you can enjoy them on their own as a sweet snack or even toss some into unsweetened iced tea for a refreshing twist. Another great idea is to make a quick and easy smoothie by pureeing peach slices with low-fat buttermilk, crushed ice, and a sprinkle of cinnamon or ginger. It's a tasty and healthy treat that can keep your blood sugar steady, all while offering the refreshing taste of summer. Whether you eat them fresh or in a smoothie, peaches are a wonderful option for seniors looking to manage their diabetes while enjoying something sweet. 4. Apricots. Apricots are a sweet, refreshing fruit that can be a great addition to your diabetes-friendly meal plan. Especially in the summer, these small fruits offer a tasty and healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth without worrying about blood sugar spikes. One apricot has only 17 calories and 4 grams of carbohydrates, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, making it a great choice for seniors with diabetes who need to watch their carbohydrate intake. In addition to being low in calories and carbs, apricots are an excellent source of vitamin A. Just 4 apricots provide 134 micrograms of vitamin A, which is your daily requirement. Vitamin A plays a vital role in maintaining good vision and supporting your immune system, according to the National Institutes of Health, NIH. This makes apricots not only a delicious treat, but also a nutritious one, especially for older adults who need extra support for their health. Apricots are also packed with fiber, with 3 grams of fiber in that same group of 4 apricots. Fiber is incredibly helpful for managing blood sugar levels, as it slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. For seniors with diabetes, adding fiber-rich foods to your diet can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and improve overall digestion. You can enjoy apricots in various ways. Try mixing diced fresh apricots into your morning cereal or adding them to a salad for a burst of sweetness. Whether you enjoy them on their own or incorporate them into your meals, apricots are a simple yet delicious way to support your health while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on helpful health tips made just for seniors. And hey, if you have any questions or something you're curious about, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help however I can. 5. Apples. An apple a day might really help keep the doctor away, especially if you're managing diabetes. Apples are not only a tasty, portable snack, but they are also packed with nutrients that can support your health. A medium-sized apple contains about 95 calories and 25 grams of carbohydrates, making it a great choice for seniors looking to manage their blood sugar levels. If you're aiming to keep your carbohydrate intake lower per serving, you can enjoy half of an apple instead, which would give you about 12.5 grams of carbs. One of the best things about apples is their fiber content. A medium apple has about 4 grams of fiber, making it a good source of this important nutrient. Fiber is essential for managing blood sugar because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. This is particularly helpful for seniors with diabetes, as it can prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Apples also provide a little vitamin C, with one medium apple offering 8.37 milligrams of this nutrient, which is great for immune support. If you want to get the most health benefits from your apple, don't peel it. The skin of the apple contains a lot of fiber and antioxidants, which help protect your heart and contribute to your overall health. According to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, many of the heart-healthy nutrients are concentrated in the skin, so be sure to enjoy it along with the fruit. Apples are not only delicious but also a simple and convenient way to stay on track with your diabetes-friendly diet. 6. Oranges. Oranges are a fantastic choice for seniors looking to manage their diabetes and get a healthy dose of nutrients. One medium-sized orange contains 65 calories and 16 grams of carbohydrates, making it a great fruit option for anyone watching their blood sugar levels. Not only are they low in calories and carbs, but oranges are also packed with vitamin C. One orange provides 63 milligrams, which is nearly your entire daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is essential for immune function, helping to protect your body against illnesses. It also promotes healthy skin, as noted by the Mayo Clinic. In addition to vitamin C, oranges provide folate, an important nutrient for the production of red blood cells. This is crucial for maintaining overall health, especially for older adults. Each medium orange contains 24 micrograms of folate, making it a great way to support your body's natural processes. Oranges are also rich in potassium, providing 238 milligrams per fruit. Potassium is essential for regulating fluid balance and may help normalize blood pressure. This is especially important for seniors managing diabetes. While you're enjoying an orange, don't forget about other citrus fruits like grapefruits. These fruits are similarly beneficial and make great choices for people with diabetes. So, whether you enjoy oranges as a snack or in a refreshing juice, they're a sweet and nutritious way to help control your blood sugar naturally. Tart cherries, in particular, are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, 1 cup of tart cherries with pits contains about 52 calories and 12.6 grams of carbs. This makes them a great snack choice that won't spike your blood sugar levels. But cherries offer more than just low calories. They're rich in antioxidants, which can help fight inflammation in the body. A review published in the March 2018 issue of Nutrients showed that cherries could help reduce the risk of heart disease, cancer, and other chronic diseases. This is especially important for seniors managing diabetes, as protecting your heart and overall health is key. You can enjoy tart cherries in many forms: fresh, frozen, canned, or dried. However, if you opt for canned cherries, be sure to check the label. Many canned fruits contain added sugar, which could cause your blood sugar to spike. The Cleveland Clinic recommends avoiding these types of canned fruits. Dried cherries, if they don't have added sugar, can be a healthy choice, but keep in mind that dried fruit is denser in calories and carbs than fresh fruit. Because of this, it's best to enjoy dried cherries in small portions, about 2 tablespoons at a time. Although they are delicious, dried cherries are less filling than whole fruit. So, moderation is key to managing your 8. Kiwi. Kiwi is another great fruit for seniors with diabetes to enjoy. This bright green fruit, often hidden behind a fuzzy brown skin, has more to offer than its unique appearance. A medium kiwi provides about 48 calories and 11 grams of carbohydrates, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to control their blood sugar. The best part is that despite its slightly sweet taste, kiwi has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a spike in blood sugar, which is important for people with diabetes. In addition to being low in calories and carbohydrates, kiwis are packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and support skin health. For seniors, especially those with diabetes, maintaining a healthy immune system is essential, as diabetes can weaken the body's ability to fight off infections. Kiwis also provide potassium, which is essential for heart health, and can help normalize blood pressure, another important factor in diabetes management. Plus, they contain fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. What makes kiwis even more convenient is that they are available year-round. Whether you buy them fresh or store them in the fridge, they can last up to 7 days, so you can always have them on hand for a quick, healthy snack. You can eat them as is, or consider adding them to a fruit salad, or mixing them into your morning yogurt for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. For seniors, adding kiwis to your daily diet can be a fun way to naturally lower blood sugar levels, while also providing a range of essential vitamins and minerals to keep you healthy and energized. Taking care of your health doesn't have to be hard, especially with simple, natural options like fruit. For seniors with diabetes, adding these 8 fruits into your daily diet can help manage blood sugar in a healthy, delicious way. They're full of fiber, vitamins, and nutrients your body needs to stay strong and energized. Making small changes like this can lead to big results. You deserve to feel good every day, and I'm here to help you get there. If this video helped you, please like and share it with someone who could use this info too. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, helpful tips. And don't stop here. Check out our next video where we talk about the worst fruits for blood sugar and how to avoid common mistakes at the grocery store. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.